Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. And in our today's session we will discuss about some basic topics of physics. And in this session we will discuss about domains of physics. Our first topic is domains of physics, and our second topic is scope of physics. So dear students, these two topics are the basic topics of physics, right? Now let's talk about this topic in details. Domains. First thing, what do you think about domains? Domains is nothing but we can say classification, and we are talking about physics. So there will be classification of physics, right? So dear students, physics can be classified into two categories. Number one is classical physics. And number two is quantum physics. So dear students, how can we classify physics? So physics can be classified into two categories. One, that is classical physics. Second one is quantum physics. Now, what is there in classical and quantum physics? So let's talk about first domain, that is classical physics. Now classical physics explains macroscopic phenomena. Now what is the meaning of macroscopic? Macroscopic means something which is large in size. So in macroscopic phenomena we will study about some phenomena which are large in size, and it includes some branches, and these branches are nothing but you can say branches of physics. So it includes mechanics, electrodynamics, optics and thermodynamics. So this classical physics includes some physics branches: mechanics, electrodynamics, optics and thermodynamics. Now let's talk about second domain. Second domain is quantum physics. And quantum physics explains microscopic phenomena. Remember this thing, dear students. Classical physics explains macroscopic phenomena which is large in size, whereas quantum physics explains microscopic phenomena which is smaller in size, right? And it includes phenomena like atomic, molecular, nuclear phenomena. So this is about domains of physics. There are two classifications: classical physics and quantum physics. Now let's move on the next topic. Next topic is scope of physics. Second topic is scope of physics. So where physics can be studied, okay? So there are three different quantities which covers whole physics, What is the range of physics? If we talk about length, right, what will be the mass? Minimum mass, maximum mass, minimum length, maximum length. Okay, so these three quantities covers whole physics, right? So let's talk about first length. Minimum length, that is 10 raised to minus 15 meter, and this length is nothing but size of nucleus. Size of nucleus is 10 to the power minus 15 meter. And what about maximum length? Maximum length is 10 to the power 26 meter, and this is nothing but size of our universe. Okay. Second is time. Minimum time 10 to the power minus 22 second to 10 raised to plus 18 second. And third one is mass. Third quantity is mass. Minimum mass 10 raised to minus 30 kg, that is the mass of an electron. And maximum mass 10 to the power 55 kg, and this mass is nothing but mass of the universe. That mass is nothing but mass of the universe. So dear students, in this session we studied about some basic topics of physics, and those basic topics are nothing but domains of physics and scope of physics. So I hope you enjoyed this video, you understood these two topics. Okay, thank you.